Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa and I'm a certified personal trainer and group exercise instructor. Today we're working on foam roller. There's a whole series now of exercise videos that go through the foam roller, and we've talked about myofascial release, how that works, and what we're doing with the foam roller. But as a quick review, what we're doing is loosening up the fascia that sheathes every muscle in your body and interconnects all of our body, right? It's a matrix that goes over all of your muscles and in between your muscles. It's connective tissue. Then we have our muscles, and those are the part of the fascial release, right? Myofascial release, muscle and fascia. So we're going to release the muscles, we're going to release the fascia, that connective tissue, and we're going to try and hydrate it by using the foam roller. One of the areas that I think people often forget about is this underarm area for the lats, and also here in the front with the pectoralis majoris muscle and the pec minors, okay? I can tell you for my MSers particularly, this area here with the pec minor can get very, very tight. Just has a tendency to do so. But I'm going to go out on a limb and say everybody who is going forward over any kind of computer, phone, or anything else, any other device, is also probably rounding forward, shortening this area. And so we're going to roll out this and we're going to roll out this. There's my foam roller. Here at home, I just have a half foam roller, but it'll work perfectly fine. And we're going to grab that and work on the lats first. So I'm gonna just drape my body right over that foam roller, starting rib cage area, just above the very bottom. And here and back, I can feel my shoulder blade, but I'm forward of that. And I'm going to roll back and forth. Now this isn't full body weight here, and I may even have to change where that foam roller is at certain spots, right? So here I am going side to side. For my ladies, it's just above the bra strap, okay? For my gentlemen, where your chest strap would go for a heart rate monitor, this is right about that same spot. So you're starting there. Now, do you feel any crackly, crunchy bits? I want you to go over those several times. This is a small movement. Now move your body a little bit on that foam roller. So now I'm a little bit closer to my underarm. And we're going for, oh my goodness gracious. I don't know about you guys, but I'm sure feeling that. Okay, so there, you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just rolling. Now, another technique for this would be to go forward and back. So rolling side to side or east-west versus just going north and south is going to work as well. Okay? So like all of the other videos we talked about, as long as any pain or discomfort goes away, you're good to go to the next side. What's the rule? About 50% of that discomfort goes away. You can be done rolling that. So I feel a whole heck of a lot better. I'm going to go to the other side. And so that I can face you, I'm just swinging over. All right. And here we start again, right around the bra strap or where that chest strap would go for your heart rate monitor. And then, whoo, side to side, forward and back. You choose. What's best for you and what do you need? That Latissimus Dorsi muscle is a large muscle. It looks like an upside down triangle, right? Along the side of your back. And that's what we're trying to get. So we're starting at the bottom of the muscle, we're working our way up. And you can see if I lift my arm, I'm not quite in that armpit area yet, okay? But I'm going to work my way down to that, okay? If you happen to struggle with your neck, you can, of course, support your head. I'm only lifting my arm up so you could see. But when you're rolling it, you can rest it right down on the floor, no problem. Side to side. Remember, if you find something that is particularly uncomfortable, I want you just to breathe, hold, and then release as that dissipates by about 50%. So about halfway, it starts to relax. You're breathing, you're getting yourself through it, and then those muscles should feel so much better, okay? Now, pecs, pec minors. When I lay down on the floor, you're not gonna be able to see this. So I'm gonna show you while we're up that I'm gonna lay right on the foam roller, and it's gonna go along the front of my shoulder and then up under the armpit like that, okay? And that's how I'm gonna roll that. So here I come down to the floor. See how the foam roller is. Here's the pec muscle. Ladies, be careful because, and I don't want you to feel like you're hurting any of your breast tissue, okay? So be careful. We're gonna go forward and we're gonna go back. We're trying to work on the muscle here. So it's right up near your armpit and then back. And lean forward. Ooh. If you do a lot of push-ups, you're gonna feel this. Guys, if you're into pec exercises, you do a lot of pec presses or incline presses, or you do a lot of chest flies, you're gonna feel this one too. If you have a little spot in the muscle that's really biting you, I want you to lean and breathe. Inhale, exhale. Give it a little hold, okay? And then as you feel that release, you're gonna go to the other side. Okay, now again, just like all the other videos, you may find that you need to hold these a little bit longer. I just wanna show you the basic technique, and I want you to be able to use this every day. And then the next question is, how often do I do this? I mean, really, daily is very good. We're realigning muscle fibers. We're getting that fascia nice and smooth and hydrated. And we're keeping all of those things that are super tight at bay. So especially if you have something like Parkinson's with dystonia, or you have multiple sclerosis and you have spasticity, this is gonna be one of your best friends ever, okay? So here we are on the other side. You're coming down. Remember, I'm draping myself over this, and here's the front of my shoulder, here's the pec muscles, okay? I'm going down, I'm leaning in. I'm gonna go forward, I'm gonna go back, mine's tight. I'm gonna go forward, whew. I'm gonna go back. Are you feeling this? Don't just watch me now. I want you to try it if you can. If you're watching and you're just getting the hang of it the first time, watch the video, then come and join me, play it again so you can get right into this, all right? And then you can pause me at any point. Like if you need to do this for a little bit longer, you can pause me. So now if you have a spot, hold it, breathe, inhale. Exhale, relax into it. Let's do one more breath. Inhale. Exhale, relax into it. And then release. So that was our pecs. So pectoralis majoris, pec minor. Okay, we did the lats. That's a nice pairing to do together. A back muscle and your chest to loosen up. And again, there are other videos on the side that will help you through other foam roller exercises so that you can use them for myofascial release in your body. I hope this has been really helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. Check out the other videos on the side and have a great day.